What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Keith back with another live stream, and it's a video too. We got recording too, so if you watching it live, it's a live stream. If you watching it later, it's the recording. But back with another reaction video. Today we finna be reacting to top 3 biggest live trading losses with reactions. That's what it say, but I'm just gonna say losses. Um. Of course, we ain't back with no more trade wars. Unfortunately, y'all know we was loving on trade wars, bro. We was loving on trade wars, but we ain't got no more. So, and maybe somebody else did it, like their own version of it. So we might can check that out, see if they got like trading tournament live or something like that. But right now, we can just be reacting to some folks losing top 3 biggest losses on live trading. If y'all can't tell, bruh, for Christmas I got me a dang webcam. I know y'all could tell the quality look a little bit better. I might look a little cleaner, you know. I know I ain't brushed my hair or nothing, 'cause I was just ready to do a reaction. But yeah, we got a webcam. We also had got a mic, but I don't have enough ports, cause the same port that my webcam I'm trying to use, that's where the mic gotta go in. And it's like I can't do both at the same time. So I'm using my headphone, of course these headset, for the reaction. Like regular stock videos and stuff that y'all see on this page, I probably be using a regular mic. I mean the new mic. So the audio gonna be way better. I definitely gonna try to see if I can get an adapter where I can put 2 USB-C ports, like make them both go in there. So we'll try to figure it out. We'll try to figure out what. For right now, we at least got the camera going. You know, we at least got the camera. The boy look crispy though. But I know I'm doing a lot of talking. We finna get into the reaction, bro. Y'all give me 1 second though, cause I gotta. Let me see. I gotta change one setting real quick, and then we finna get started. All right, we should be good. All right. So like we said, top 3 biggest live trading losses. All right, here we go. Here we go. And we definitely, I'm gonna tell y'all now, we ain't gonna always watch the losing traders. We gonna start watching a couple people winning, man, like the biggest wins and stuff. Cause we don't want to only just be, you know what I'm saying? We don't only want to be looking at folks losing all the time. We don't want that losing mentality, you know. We gotta see some wins, you know. We gotta see some wins and everything. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into it, man.
Freezing as a winning trade turns into a $200,000 loss.
Dang, 200,000. Hey, I think he was in. Hold up, y'all. Hold up. I think he was in that last one we watched when it was like they lost a lot. I think he was in one of them. Dang, he be losing too much. Boy.
$195,000 in the red.
To refusing to accept defeat and
Dang, our boy TJI. They got TJI.
I lost, bro. I'm fucking sick.
These are the top 3 biggest live trading losses.
And they got my boy TJI on there.
First up is a legend in the day trading space. Ross Cameron is known for his incredible discipline and consistency. But this video is a brutal reminder that the market does not care who you are.
Y'all already know what my biggest loss was.
From this morning. So I sat down this morning. I had noticed GLTO was the leading gapper, and that was when it was under 14. It was right here. And I thought, okay, looks interesting. It is a biotech stock. And yesterday,
he doing options?
Stock that made a phenomenal move. It was SPRB. This stock went from about $16 a share to $360.
Dang, $16 a share.
Imagine being able to build an app with your name.
Come on now, D dang ass. But from $16 to $300,
he starts the day with a massive psychological
that's crazy.
Recency
I wonder how long it took.
Just the day before, he witnessed a different biotech stock absolutely explode in price. So when he sits down this morning, he's chasing the ghost.
How many days did it take for him to go from 16 to 300?
And the morning started poorly from the very beginning. So as you can see, GLTO has just squeezed. I would say that I have a little bit of FOMO on it, fear of missing out, a little bit of frustration.
This is the critical moment where the disaster actually
He finna jump in when he's making a high.
First loss from a string of bad trades. Ross tries to catch a move to the upside on GLTO, and it immediately
as it comes
See, you can't be buying when it's high, y'all. when that's the biggest thing. Uptrend. You don't buy it at the highs. You gotta let it pull back. That's when you get in. He trying to buy all the way up here, bro. Mess itself up. Cause you don't know when it's gonna do the pullback, man. Don't know when it's gonna do the pullback. So you never buy high
this
unless you
level,
going extra
I
light.
end up adding right there at
That was that
29,
FOMO.
27.
Fear of
And
missing
you can
out.
see right here, it dips back down. Within an instant, I'm down $2 a share. Look at this rejection. And so I end up taking the loss, and I'm red $20,000 on my
Dang.
first trade.
He loses $20,000 in seconds.
And
For
it's
some people,
options.
that's
That's
a
real
year's
money,
salary.
boy.
For Ross, it's only a setback, but it triggers something dangerous.
That's real money when it's
emotional
options.
tilt.
My feeling
You
at
ain't
that
like no
moment
prop
is
firm.
like anger, frustration. This is triggering.
He is now desperate to get back to green.
And then I have a trade on CISS.
That's
right
where
here.
they
Although
get
it
you,
pops up
bro.
a little bit high.
You be take that first loss. You be like, man, I'm just trying to get back break even, bro. That when the market know he got you, bro. That's when they know he got you. Like, you know how when a fisherman throw the hook out there and a fish bite on the bait and he reel that thing in. Oh, he feel that mud tugging. Oh, he know he got it in. That's how the market is. Once you take that loss and then you sit there and you be like, man, I just want to break even, or I just want to get back up 100 or something. It got you, bro.
It doesn't end up holding up
That's
very
when the
well.
market
It
take you.
rejects fairly violently. And I only made $2,000 on it. Now, the problem with this is I would say this is another bad trade. But in this moment, I've become already emotionally compromised. Then next thing you know, we've got
Damn, I should have
CMB
grabbed me some
pops
water.
up, and I end up losing $13,000 in my main account. I try to trade it on this squeeze. It ends up rejecting, and now I'm down $31,000 on the day.
He
Dang.
forces 2 more bad trades, pushing him down over $30,000 on the day.
So at this point here, it would probably have been a good idea for me to put this account on the shelf and just say, nope, I'm not going to trade it. I'm leaving it alone. Why didn't I do that? Well,
Oh,
this is
like he
the reality
reviewing, he
of being in a
reacting
state of
to
emotional
himself
upheaval. You've
losing.
got so much
Oh, I
emotion
got you. I got
that
him.
you almost get tunnel vision. In fact, it's embarrassing to even show it.
Instead of walking away, he loads up for one massive make-it-back trade on the same stock he had his first loss on.
So here, GLTO curls back up. As it starts to pull away, I punch it right about here for the breakthrough 32. And I'm thinking about SPRB from yesterday and the way that squeezed from about $35 a share to $50 a share. And I jumped in it at $32.35.
He bought at the high again, y'all.
And that's a pretty big position.
He bought at the high.
Ross is right. And within moments, he is up $35,000.
And right here, it's at $34.75.
Okay, he made a little money right there.
$35,000.
He has erased his earlier losses and is now green on the day.
He should have cut.
Maybe he should have taken the profit and ran.
Yeah, he should have
But
took your
Ross is
bread.
blinded by the expectation of a massive squeeze like he saw yesterday. He doesn't want $35,000. He wants a home run.
Greedy.
So instead of selling, he adds to the position.
Greedy, bruh. And he added in. Ain't no way I would at least cut
And so
break
what I did
even, bro.
instead is I added up here for the break of 35. And so my cost basis goes up to 34 right there.
He trying to make 100,000.
Position.
He is now holding 40,000 shares. But in the blink of an eye, the trade turns around.
So I've got a 40,000 share position, and look at this thing knife. Look at how fast this happens. Right here, I'm up $35,000, and I then think this is going to break 35 and go straight to 38 and 40, just like SPRB did yesterday. And then all of a sudden right there, I'm down $1 a share. I'm down $2.50 a share. I'm down 80 grand.
In less than 15 seconds,
Dang.
his P&L swings from a $35,000 profit to an $80,000 loss. The shock is so severe that he freezes, watching the number tick down.
So my P&L, I'm looking at it and I'm down. Now I'm down $3 a share. I'm down $3.50. And then it breaks 30 and I'm starting to sell, and look at that number getting bigger and bigger.
Oh my goodness. Oh my 200,000?
Wow.
Well,
like watching that.
Ain't no way.
$195,000 in the red.
He finally capitulates and hits the sell button, realizing a total loss of nearly $200,000.
It feels unforgivable to lose that much money in one morning.
I'd be hurt.
Boy, that was a tough trade.
I ain't gonna lie, that probably would make me retire trading.
You know,
I couldn't even look
Kind
at
of
the
had it
chart.
coming. I had already lost $20,000 on this
Unless
thing when it
somebody
came in
gave me
because it closed on
200,000 to
about
put
$2
back in
here,
there.
right here, right back here at 30, and it did it again. And I should have known that was going to happen. And to add insult to injury, it does end up rallying all the way back up to $35 a share. Should I have held? And the answer is no. If I had held, this candle where we dropped from 34 down to about $25 a share, we lost almost 10 points in one candle. That would have been a $400,000 loss here. This was the candle that I lost on. You don't know how much it's going to keep going down. All
Do
you
he
know is
really
that we're
got?
at
Hold on,
34.
y'all.
We're down $5 a share, and it's still dropping.
Do the
And if
man
this
got
thing
that
keeps
much
going,
money,
you
or
can't
is
cut it.
he like?
I mean, what are you
'Cause
gonna do?
they don't
It's
do
a
prop
powerful lesson
firms
in
with
risk
options,
management.
but
Even
they
the
do
best
do
traders
like
in the world are only one bad decision away
what
from
it's called when
disaster
it's
when
like
emotions take the
you
wheel.
only can take 3
Next up is
trades.
Forex trader Alex
I
G,
forgot what it's
with a
called.
loss that unfolds over the course of 5 painful days. He starts the week with a very ambitious goal.
Our goal this week is to make
Like
200 to
they give you
300
margin or
pounds. We
something. I
have
don't
not
know.
traded for a whole entire week.
He also takes a moment to
Damn, I
call
ain't seen that
leverage
boy
day
Alex G
traders
in forever.
gamblers, setting a very high standard for his own discipline for the week ahead.
I want to make something very clear right now.
I ain't seen that man in
Anybody
about
out
a
there
year.
that is trading the S&P 500 and you're trading gold, you're a gambler. You're a degenerate. Like, you have no context of what is proper confluence trading. You don't really have a strategy here. You're just looking for any reason to buy. And any reason to buy on something that's not the highest point it's ever been, to me, is just a gamble. Euro USD. I'm going to be waiting for price on Euro USD to give me a break and retest on this to sell.
His plan is solid. He is stalking setups on the euro and British pound pairs with the US dollar.
So I want the market to show me the hand first. Show me the break. I'll wait for the retest, and then we will enter the
Hell, he looking
big-time
for
sell to the
shorts.
downside.
He is being patient.
I don't know
Allow the
about that
market
right
to
now.
show him its
It
hand.
just made a
He
high.
spends the next day in hesitation, and when day 3 rolls around, things immediately go wrong.
Euro USD has continued to have a move to the downside. We did not enter this. The GBP USD has continued to have a push to the downside. We did.
This video must be kind of new.
Both
I gotta see
Both
what
the euro
what day
and the
this
pound
video
sank
came out.
exactly as he predicted, but they did it without him. You
Cause
can
they
hear the annoyance starting to build.
TJR,
Moments later, he pivots to
Alex,
find a new
they look
opportunity.
different than what I
So for
remember them
sure,
looking
rule
like.
pairs
So
USD CAD
either it
and
was
NZD
this an
USD.
He
older
identifies 2
video,
potential trades,
or
but there
this
is a
gotta be like
problem.
super
Here we are
recent.
betting for a weak dollar and a strong CAD. Here we are betting for a strong dollar and a weak NZD. You see this? This is where it gets interesting. Like, if the dollar gets strong, this is going to go down and this is going to go up. I'm going to definitely be wrong on one of these two.
He can't take both because they contradict each other regarding the strength of the US dollar.
So I need to make a decision on which one. This is that decision-making moment that differentiates a good trader from a great trader.
He has to pick the perfect winner to make up for the trades he missed yesterday.
So for now, I'm going to wait to see if this comes back into this potential entry level. If not, I just avoided myself a loss. NZD USD, I'm going to wait for this to have the break below this area so that I can enter this trade.
But before he could make up his
Okay,
mind,
that second one he
USD CAD drops
said
without
sound
his cue.
better.
Fuck, man. Fuck. It just did it too fast. That's really what it was. Like, it didn't give me a fucking chance, man. So this is why you can't go do this crosshair correlation bullshit, right? You need to like treat every trade for what it is. And I was right. I could have taken both of these trades and they would have offsetted each other, right? If I were to close out both trades, I'd make profit.
That is now 3 major moves he has missed in 3 days. The
That
frustration
ain't
grows
no bad.
over,
He
feeling
ain't
like the
lose no
market is
money.
actively dodging him.
For me, I wanted to
Dang.
make just the right trade and enter
Yeah,
just
bust
the
my
right
lip.
trade. Let's see what happens. So far, I missed out on it. If
He
this
ain't lose no
goes
money though.
down, this goes up. It's fucking math. Now, I know I'm contradicting myself a little bit here. You don't ever want to do crosshair correlation. It's not good. But it's just black and white. Well, this trade's done, right? This trade already happened. So this one, see you later.
Desperate to catch something this week, he locks in on the last trade left.
Now here, hello. What's your name? New Zealand. I've always had a thing for the Zealands, you know what I'm saying?
Late on day 3, he pulls the trigger with massive size.
I've waited for so many extra confirmations. I'm gonna go ahead and enter this trade literally right now live with you guys. My account balance is $3 million, 1,000 lots. Okay, so let me go ahead and execute this trade. So, all right, beautiful. We just entered the position. We're already decently in profit. The trade is moving very solid.
Initially, it works. He is already up that same night.
All right, little update. Pretty clean continuation push. Not fucking bad. We are a fucking really good around the fucking money. We have $50,000 fucking dollars.
The relief is instant, and the ego returns.
Yeah, you want to say it's fake, you motherfuckers? You want to say it's fucking
No,
down, you
we.
motherfuckers?
He said the
What color
ego
is your fucking
return.
Golden Cold roulette, huh? Like, honestly, Alex, relax. All right, relax.
So he up almost
We're risking this
50,000.
trade.
All right, let's see what's gonna happen.
Okay, we're good, we're good, we're good. Set and fucking forget.
He up
Day
almost
4 arrives,
50,000.
and it's not going
Dang,
well. The trade has turned against him.
he
and
gotta
that's
be
a
down
mark in the red.
60,000.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Market update.
He need to be down about 60,
Man,
70,000 right now.
we're a little bit in drawdown right now. $132,000 in drawdown.
God,
on NZD.
never mind then. I thought it was
we're
like
definitely in
70,000.
loss. We have not lost just yet.
He holds
Nah,
the
you
position,
lost.
praying for a reversal.
Trump is going to speak. You guys know what that means. He's about to say some crazy shit. So hopefully the dollar, whatever he's going to say, will make this stronger to push this to the downside. So our only confluence right now is hope.
He pins his survival on a scheduled speech from Trump later that day, admitting his strategy has now degraded to just hope. In the evening, the market decides to play with his emotions.
That right there is my stop loss, and my stop loss did not get hit. We are still inside of this trade. We're in drawdown about $150,000 right now.
That line, that dotted line, that's our stop loss. That wick is where price went to. Look how close that got to our stop loss.
We are still in this trade, bro. If this goes and it hits our take profit, this might be the most legendary trade on the face of the earth. Fuck, man.
Finally, it's day 5. The CPI news drops, volatility explodes, and the market rips through his stop loss.
Fuck, man. This is the fucking bullshit that I'm talking about, bro. We lost $223,000 on this position right here, as you guys can see, because of CPI bullshit, man.
Dang,
Against the market,
200,000.
realized loss of $224,000. A brutal end to a long week.
I gotta
All
think
you
these
need to
folks
do
got
is
millions of
stick to
dollars.
your plan.
Cause for me,
Who the fuck is calling me?
I've been
My
sick.
motherfucking Indian fucking calling. This is a week where you got me, buddy. I'll be honest, you got me.
Finally, we have TJR with his worst trading day yet.
All right, guys. Market just opened.
What they say? October?
Bro,
That's 2025?
shut the fuck up.
Oh yeah, this new. This new. I ain't seen TJR in about a year or so. So they were a couple months
Of
ago.
course, they're just
What, 2
running
months ago?
fucking fire alarm tests at 9:30 a.m., bro.
He starts the session with a dangerous amount of certainty. He isn't reacting to the market, he is predicting it.
We came down, we filled 5-minute equilibrium. This is exactly what I wanted. Again, I'm pretty good at this stuff. Whichever index is closer to these draws on liquidity, that's probably the one that I'll take the trade on. Again, guys, this is exactly what I was telling you was going to happen. We get that 5-minute bullish SMT, but we wait for the 5-minute retrace because it's going to give us a better entry. See here, if ES breaks structure, I'll go long on NASDAQ.
He believes he knows exactly where the price is going.
All of these highs look great for draws on liquidity. Okay, so I'm going to go long here on NASDAQ. Just entered. This is a good draw right here, though. These equal highs. We can go all the way up here as well. ES wouldn't be horrible longs either. It's low-key better, I'm not going to lie.
He takes a big position, going long on both the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ. He is so confident that he doubles his exposure to the same direction, expecting an immediate move up.
I went long on both ES and NASDAQ because
He need to trail that stop loss. But I know TJR don't trail his stops.
So we'll
I definitely trail mine.
Just to show you guys that I'm actually in this trade.
But the market doesn't cooperate. The price starts to dip against his entry. You can hear the doubt creeping in.
To me, there's like negative reason for why we wouldn't want to come up and take out these highs. All the good draws on liquidity are to the upside. It's just seeing whether or not we got.
Dang, it made lower low.
I think we did.
If we make a lower high right here, game over. Yep, game over.
Candle.
Soon as it did that, it's over with.
Don't do it, NASDAQ.
It's over with.
Jeez, bro, are we going to like do something? Can we break
Unless it was
structure?
a gap or something to bounce off of. But that's switched to a downtrend.
These trades are looking good.
Switch to a downtrend.
Okay, NASDAQ, I got stopped out. Damn, ES, I got stopped out as well.
He ultimately gets stopped out of both positions.
Watch, and now we're probably going to reverse up. I would like to fucking put money on it. I lost $67,000 on both of those trades.
But instead of calling it quits, TJR becomes even more confident.
I would like to believe that we're going to go higher here. There's just no way that we go lower. Honestly, like a blind long on this sounds pretty fucking good to me. I can't lie.
He refuses
Heck
to
no, I
accept the
ain't going
reality of the
long
price
on.
action.
You can't go
Thinks the
long until that
indexes
must
are
start
guaranteed
pushing
to
back up.
revisit higher levels.
Mad about that. We took out every single draw on liquidity to the downside. There's nothing else down here for NASDAQ. Okay, now this has to be it. This is going to be an SMT divergence. I'm going long on NASDAQ. And I'm fucking going high risk, bro. I don't care.
He enters another long on the NASDAQ, only this time with a much bigger position.
No, there's nowhere else for it to go to the
Tripping.
downside on NASDAQ. There you go. Get
He
me
literally
in.
just saying this had. I don't know.
Watch, bro. Shit's gonna play out in like 2 fucking seconds.
As the trade begins to go his way, he even raises the take profit target.
Oh, what do you freaking know? But yeah, I went like fucking heavy duty long on this shit. We're gonna make it all back, and we're gonna make more money on top of it.
Dang, he confident. I'm like confident. He know we're gonna have.
And after that SMT, I'm low-key thinking we're damn near guaranteed to take out all of these highs, bro. We might as well go full extendo on them.
But the market is always full of surprises.
Bruh. We better freaking hope that we don't get stopped out again.
With the price going below his entry point, the confidence is gone, replaced by the bargaining phase.
If I get stopped out on this, then I'm smoked for the day. Like smoked on the monthly P&L as well.
Dang.
Come on, bruh. Ain't no way we're gonna be doing this right now.
Dang.
Let's not do this right now.
He is begging the market for
Dang.
mercy, but it rips right through his stop loss.
Any fucking
Golly.
Oh my.
I know he's sick.
Please turn around.
I know he's sick, boy.
Please don't, please.
He over there begging, please, market, please. That's it. That's it. My boy about to quit. I don't even know how much he lost.
Silence.
Dog. Oh my god.
How much he lost? 200,000 like everybody else?
I lost, bro. I'm fucking sick. I lost 234,000.
Everybody lost 200,000.
He made what was an already bad month even worse, all because he couldn't accept that first loss.
Dang.
Big negative on this month, bro. Well, that puts us at negative $185,000 on the month. I can't believe that.
It is a brutal ending to our list, and a reminder that no matter how good you are, the market will always humble overconfidence.
Oh, he got some more videos. We might have to start looking at that.
Monday.com.
Checking out this dude.
Any work platform we tried in the past. We tried other work management.
Come on now. I ain't trying to hear all that. But yeah, we might have to. Well, let me play.
Platforms, not naming names.
Dang, they got nightcap on them.
Go ahead and click that subscribe button below. So
y'all know I'll be watching nightcap. But what I'm about to say, we might have to start reacting to the old dude though. The other channel, y'all.
From a veteran trader freezing as
right here, Gas for Feed TV. But yeah, man, that was top 3 biggest live trading losses, and I think this was a fairly new video, cause it had October, 6 days ago he dropped it. Man, that's crazy though, losing 200,000, bro. I mean, like I said, you gotta think these people millionaires though. So it's like losing 20K to them or something. But dang, bro. I can't say nothing because y'all know I lost 15,000 options. All real money. No prop firm, none of that. Lost 15,000. So y'all know I ain't no dang millionaire. Not yet. Shoot. But yeah, man, y'all let me know down below what y'all think of this video. Did y'all like it? Do y'all want to see me react to the other ones? Cause like I said, it looked like he got a lot more that he created. Hopefully he did some winners too. Cause like I said, I want to start reacting to people winning too. Like the craziest wins and stuff. But yeah, man, I'm gonna go ahead and end it right here, y'all. Be sure to like, share, and comment down below. And any other reactions y'all like for me to look at or videos. And yeah, your boy Keith is out. Peace.